Hi everyone, it's Cheryl with Tupperware, and I wanted to go over some of our fridge smarts that I just got in this week, and then some that I've had for about the last week and a half that I put some product in. I also ordered some specials that were on that I qualified for last week that just arrived, and two of them are the Piccadilly. You can put pickles in there, which would be the obvious, but you could do like a gardenia with the cut up vegetables and some vinegar and make your own kind of mix. You can put cut up vegetables and just use, and keep them in water to keep them hydrated, or there's a lot of things, anything that you need to put in that you need to lift out. Like I like to do like hot peppers or cut up or anything like that. Also, if you know me, you know I love my bubbies. So I had 1.5 containers right now. So I already put one in there. And then I'm going to add this to it. If I can do it one hand. Woo. Get in there, little guys. Okay. So that's about a whole entire bubbies and a half. And I go through them pretty fast because me and the girls, we like to eat them. So you can see when you want to have one, you can just lift it up. It takes all that liquid out. And when you don't, you can put it back into the liquid. They keep it fresh. I'll clean it off after I get done with just where I spilled a little bit with the juice. And then instead of having two big containers or having to go out so often to buy pickles, or if they're on sale, I can buy 2 jars at once because I think that would easily hold 2 jars. I have one, and it's going to keep it fresher and sealed, and it's cute and easy to bring to a party, barbecue, picnic, RVing. I also got 2 of our modular mates, the number 2s. They're oval, they stack on each other. They also work with the other square modular mates. You can put anything in here, any kind of dry ingredients, crackers, fresh fruit, keep it in a refrigerator. I also have a little Wonder Bowl because I did I hosted myself first as my first party, and this is a host gift that you get that you had that was available last month. So I got that. Now on to the fridge smarts. Yesterday I showed you. This is the long rectangular, and I've got fresh cherries in there from Whole Foods. They're super fresh still, yummy, and I keep them on a totally closed, and you just look at the front here, and you can see there's 3 different, and you just slide it for which one it is, and this one is totally closed, so you pop it on there, and if you're not sure, you can just look at the front of your fridge smart, and it shows you exactly for different fruits and vegetables. It also on the paperwork tells you what cannot be put in there, like potatoes and some other things. Okay, so this is our large fridge smart. I just ordered a second one because it'll stack really nice on top of it. And I also ordered the extra large. And this one, I have lettuce in it, so I keep it on half open, as you can see there, half open. Looking at the front, I have lettuce and Swiss chard. So it literally has been, from my mom's garden, been in here for about a week and a half. There is no wilting. It is crisp. It is moist. It's fresh as when I brought it a week and a half ago. I'm literally in shock that there is no brown, just the regular kind of holes and stuff from it coming fresh from my mom's organic garden. But everything, and this is, I did not wash it before putting in here. It just keeps the hydration of your lettuce like so nice. I'm actually shocked. Now, I had washed this lettuce, and I think that gives it a little bit more moisture. They recommend that you go ahead and put it in dirty, and then as you use it, go ahead and wash it before serving it with your food. So I think it gives it a little bit more hydration. So I've been wiping off the hydration on the bottom of the container, but I think that's pretty amazing. Okay, so then I have 3 of the medium size here, and Again, it shows on the front what you need to adjust the opening on the top to. And here I have just all celery. And I may cut it up and make like a little water with some celery and carrots in that piccadilly. I haven't decided yet because I just got it today. But this celery has been, for gosh, it was starting to get a little worn out in my, about a half a week in my regular storage. So I put it in here, and it's been in here for like a week. And it is still, you can hear, really crisp, not rubbery at all. And I was like eating on it a little while ago. So that's something I was throwing away a lot because it was just getting gross really fast. Fits right on top of the large. You can put another one up here. This one I have fresh carrots. Usually by now, after about a week, they're slimy. They're not slimy. They're still crisp. And then you can put your cucumbers right inside, and you don't have to seal off the end. It'll stay fresh. Doesn't get all gross like when you use a cucumber regularly, which I thought that was pretty neat. Again, you don't want to put any kind of paper in the bottom. You want to let the moisture go ahead and get on the bottom of it. So 2 of those will fit right on top of that large. This is the onion holder. I love it. It keeps your onions so fresh. It's amazing. And then here, I just got today, and I put my blueberries and raspberries in there. Again, on the front of it says what it should be, which is totally closed. And that's what I did on the top of this, totally closed. And this last one, I just have some pieces of fruit, some lemon and a pear. When I get my bigger, large one, I will move some of my other fruit that I still don't have quite enough fridge smarts for. Whoever thought I wouldn't have enough fridge smarts. And then I'll keep all my fruit in there. Again, you just go by the front, and it keeps your lemons from getting moldy and your pears from looking gross. And then I just wanted to show you really quick a little trick. So you're probably wondering, how can I fit all this in my refrigerator, right? So if you put these 2 on top of each other, I put the large square and the large rectangular and the deep rectangular. You can see I put that right on top of each other. That fits right in there just perfect. Now what I did was I still have to do some organizing, but just because I just did this today, what I did was throw a lot of the extras, extra jams and jellies and stuff that was taking up room on my shelves in my actual drawers that I don't think work very well. So that's where I stuck everything. So it gave me some room. Now as I get some of the other larger ones, I'm going to do a little bit more reorganizing. But I just wanted to show you that and I have a really small refrigerator, just a little apartment size, nothing fancy. So this can go in there. Lemons and limes. Just stick this one on the top, or I can move, kind of adjust everything around. Maybe I can put that up here because I can actually stack higher, or move this second shelf down a shelf. I'm not sure yet what I'm going to do. And then I have the little berries and stuff. I can stick it right up there if I want, or I can stick it over here, anywhere. And there's still some reorganizing, and I just wanted to be honest as I'm going through things, that as you get this Tupperware, you'll have to play and make room to make everything fit. But it is made to fit, and you're going to find that your vegetables are going to last a lot longer. And that's about it, guys. If you have any questions, let me know. We've got that 4-piece set for $99, and I'm telling you, it's going to save you so much money just on lettuce wilting and all that. All right, thanks. Have a great day.